For the overwhelming majority of us, foundation is the first step to a makeup routine. But what I feel is an overly done face is definitely out of fashion, and the trend of having natural, glowy and fresh skin is what is actually in the trend. But the biggest question that occurs here is that how do you actually go about achieving that beautiful, flawless skin? So I have few skincare tips that you can follow to get that glowing skin sans makeup. It's very important to change your diet, because if you have healthy diet, that's going to help you achieve good skin and healthier, plumpier skin. So if your skin is misbehaving, take a look at what you're eating. Make sure to drink more water, because it's not only important to hydrate your skin from the outside, but most importantly from within. Drinking water can replenish skin tissues and increase the elasticity, making it appear more youthful and plump. If you're not sleeping well, then you're more prone to getting those ugly dark circles under your eyes, and that definitely don't look good. So make sure to get some sound sleep. Another important tip is to supercharge your skincare routine, because you cannot expect good skin if you're not really taking good care of it. Also, make sure to exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times a week to kill the dead skin cells that pile up on the surface of the skin, and also to get rid of the excess oils and unclogged pores. Also, strategically apply primer before your makeup routine. So primers actually do a lot more than just being a base for your makeup application. For example, if you are someone who gets redness or clogged pores or excessive oily skin, then you are definitely guaranteed to find a primer to combat these issues. Apply a touch of illuminator primer to the highest points of the face to really brighten up the skin. To really embrace your complexion and to rehydrate your skin, reach out to face mists. Facial mists work to benefit the skin in numerous ways. They can restore the skin's pH balance and soothe irritated skin. So those are simple tips that I would suggest you to try in order to get flawless looking skin without makeup. And I hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Bye.